Today we got an exciting video and we're going to be learning the bent arm planche. So if you ever dreamed of defying gravity, having insane strength and doing the planche, except with your arms bent, then stick around to the end because that's where I'm going to share my hack to the bent arm planche, which you can literally do today. For starters, I suggest that you have some basic strength where you're able to do at least 20 push-ups and 1 minute hold of plank with a proper form, and also have some flexibility in your wrists. You can do some wrist rotations or some stretches on the ground. And now let's actually jump to the 4 exercises that will get you the bent arm planche in no time. So the first exercise is the pseudo push-ups. So you want to have your wrists rotated to the sides, protract your scapula, engage your core, and make sure you tilt that pelvis as well. And now you lean forward. Lean as far as you can and try to do push-ups. And of course you gradually want to lean further and do at least 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps. And then you're ready for the second step. The second step is the push-ups plus 90 degrees hold. We're actually getting close to the bent arm planche. So what we want to do is just like the pseudo push-ups, we want to lean forward and do the push-up and try to slightly elevate our feet off the ground. And you don't need to hold it there for long, so you can go back up and repeat. Try to do 3 sets of 5 reps, or if that's a lot of volume, then try to go for 3 sets. And now that we're somewhat familiar with the bent arm planche, we can start doing the bent arm planche, except that we're going to alternate our feet off the ground. Now go to the pseudo push-up, perform 1 push-up and lean forward to the point where your feet are almost off the ground, and you want to alternate your feet off and on the ground. So with this one, we want to do 3 sets at least for like 10 seconds. So now if you want to actually do the bent arm planche right now, this is the 4th exercise that you're waiting for. So now we want to do the elbow lever. For the elbow lever, I want you to bring your elbows as close as you can to your stomach, rotate your wrists, and just slightly lean forward. Now, if putting your legs out straight is difficult, you can try bending your knees so you can make it easier for you to balance. And over time, you can try to straighten out your legs as you build strength. Now I know that it's not literally a bent arm planche because you're using your elbows to hold your body weight. However, over time you can start moving your elbows to the outside, getting you in the bent arm planche position. This exercise is great because not only does it look like you're doing the bent arm planche, but you're actually learning how to balance in that position. So when you literally just move your elbows a bit out to the sides, not only are you going to be in a bent arm planche position, but you're going to have awareness and control over your body in that position. Now if you're a beginner and you're still confused where to begin exactly in calisthenics, I made a video for that, so you can check it out. And if you guys are serious about calisthenics and you want to level up, make sure you subscribe to my channel because we're going to be bringing videos every single week and help you learn the hardest skills in the fastest time. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.